Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Porsche design sunglasses model P'8478 in color code B. The color of the frame is titanium. On its temples are protective sleeves to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are a round shape. On its temples, you'll find a Porsche design logo. Its temples is silver, and the temple tips are black. On its top left lens, you'll find the Porsche design logo engraved. On its inner right temple, you'll again find the Porsche design logo, that it's made out of titanium, and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 63 is for its lens, 10 is for its bridge, and 135 is for its temples. The glasses come with a Porsche design box, a Porsche design hard case, a Porsche design authenticity card, an information booklet, a Porsche black cleaning cloth, and extra lenses if you want to change the color. These lenses are brown gradient. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.